Priority routing. Think about a scenario where your organization wants to provide reliability for its services by deploying one or more backup services in case a primary service goes down. Think about the organization that has multiple endpoints and they want to make sure that the traffic goes to one service endpoint at all times. But just in case that service endpoint goes down, the business must not be interrupted. The traffic must be routed to a secondary region for failover purposes. This is nothing but priority routing. And that means that in this case, the traffic manager profile contains a prioritized list of service endpoints. These endpoints could be web applications in East Coast or probably the virtual machines running an IIS server or maybe a Red Hat Tomcat service in one of the regions. Traffic Manager sends all the traffic to the primary, highest priority endpoint first, and if the primary endpoint is not available, Traffic Manager routes the traffic to the second endpoint and so on. Availability of the endpoint is based on the configured status, whether it's enabled or disabled, and the ongoing endpoint monitoring. The priority traffic routing method allows you to easily implement a failover pattern. You configure the endpoint priority explicitly or use the default priority based on the endpoint order. Just to summarize, priority routing means that if you're looking for a failover design in your web application routing of traffic, then that's when you will use priority routing. 100% of the traffic is going to one particular region. Just in case if that goes down, the traffic will be redirected to another site in a different region.